Hello everyone and welcome in this new tutorial on Fusion 360. Today we are going to see how to design this nut simply. So let's open a new design to start, and we are going to create a new sketch on top plane. Now we are going to create a circle. So select circle tools and go to center point and draw your circle. You can enter a T for the diameter, and you can finish your sketch. Now we are going to select extrude to extrude this sketch, and you can give 40 for your dimension. Now we are going to modify, select chamfer and select this line and this line again. You can enter chamfer like dimension like 3 and say OK. Select this face and create a new sketch. In your new sketch, go in create and select project. We want to project this line, so select this line and here say OK. We are going in create again and select polygon, and now inscribe polygon. Select this and select your center point and move to fix this here, so like this. And now you can see your polygon can move like this. So go here in constraint, select horizontal vertical and select this line. It will be vertical, so say OK. Now you can see your polygon cannot move. If it is that, say finish your sketch, and now select again extrude. You are going to select all of this part to extrude, so take your time to select all of this part again, this part and this part. You can press shift and your middle of your mouse to move like this, or to be rotation. So you can select this again, this part, this part, this part, and select this part and this part. Now you can move like this to remove all of material here. If it is OK, click here OK. Now you can see you have here your nut, but the chamfer that we did is not big, so you can go here in your timeline and your chamfer is here. Double click on your chamfer and remove 3 to enter 4 and say here OK. If you do that, you can see the dimension of your nut will change. So if it is a nut, we have here our nut. If you want, you can change again the dimension. But now we are going to select this face and go in create, select here hole. When you select hole, immediately you will see the hole will appear, but you are going to select this point to move this point to the center of this face. But you can see the size of your hole is big, so come here and take size, select another size like 50. You can select this and you will see it change automatically. Now your hole is just limited by here. If you want to remove all of the material, select this and move to remove all of material. If you do that, you can see it's apply automatically. If you want to change type of your thread, you can go here in designation. You can change if you want. If I take like this, you see it's change, and I can keep this for our example. If you select hole and this is not apply, come simply here, hole, tap tape and dot select simple, go to selector, tap. If you select that, it make automatically thread. If it is okay for you, don't forget to select here model. If we don't select, it don't apply, so select model and say OK. Now you have your nut is finished, but we want to change this appearance, so go in modify and select here appearance. When we select, come in appearance and select like aluminum or another material. So I want to take here steel, and in steel I want to take steel and cast, and I take and I move like this to apply. So if it is okay, I say close. Now I have my nut, and our design is finished. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. It's more important for me. And let's say see you for next video.